Alright, I don't know if you can hear me through the mic here. Hopefully you do. There's gonna be I want it to be a daily series where I just turn on the camera and talk. I don't know if it's gonna be 5 or 10 minutes or 25 minutes. I'm just gonna set a timer for 25. If I want to cut the camera early, I will cut the camera early. If not, um, it's going to be continuous until I cut the camera for 25 minutes. Um, so what is the videos? It's just me chatting with you. Maybe if in the future you have any questions, any comments. I know the channel is not growing right now, but this is just me yapping about my life. I'm currently for now I'm currently looking for a software developer job or software engineer. You pick your word. Oh, there's a error here, so I'm just gonna copy here. Um, I'm still currently not jobless. I'm still working part-time for a company, but I don't know if they want me to do the part-time job for how long. So um, in my mind, I'm already not having a job anytime soon. So I'm trying to um, absorb as much knowledge from the old company and then apply for a new one. So, alright, that's about it. What I am doing right now, I am currently working on a let's say I'm trying to learn how my old project or how the old dev setting up their data table. If you don't know what that is, that's basically just a table with extra prop. So usually we have when in React we do have something like a um give me one sec. So basically in React I'm just gonna talk and then whatever point come up and then I'll talk about it. So basically in React you can use some other mm, table or some built-in table like and design. We can use the table in design, but it's not like spread out for you like uh, snap, and it will work in your specific use case and applications. So my team does a extra layer of the table, so the table can do multiple things. Like you can just list out a list of action, list of column header, put it in, and then you're gonna have a small hook for the um, use query or setting up the items for it. So it's basically just bread and butter. Every time a new endpoint come up or there is multiple lists, you can reuse that component instead. So it's basically a wrapper, a wrapper for the component. So it's make you um. Alright, so we have the doc here. So I'm just gonna read through. So all of this code is basically in the not company's code. It's just basically the code that I created for a long time and I didn't remember how I created. So I'm just gonna copy a form of doc from that, and then trying to recreate it from scratch in my other project. So we have user, click the button, so go to row action and row action call into the main screen. I'm gonna call back the action name and check the action name and then find execute, find execute action name. the screen, we have the hooks, we have markers. The API is just simple, straightforward API, so I'm not gonna touch it. Topic query key. So basically, a keys for the cache to recognize and check if there is the cache in there. So doesn't really matter. Client hooks, merge key, use merge key, use merge key. So put the paragram into the key. Oh yeah. Oh my bad. So if the now I understand. So the merge key is basically a new key for the query. If the old query is something like you ask for the old page, like page one, and then you reload it, it's still page one, so it's already cached. So I'm just gonna give you the already cached stuff. I think the strategy here is the caching strategy here is just how do I forget it? It's just the stale data or the TTL policies. How long the data should be cached, and then how long it should be rehydrated. Keys. String power. Return key. So that is how we don't really care about those. So notations. UI, and then the screen. Okay. So I'm trying to recreate it as a template, and then I will put it there. My bad, I will put it somewhere else in the I will put it somewhere else into my repo, and then yeah. The heck is this? Where? Championship. What the heck is this? BCS, right? What is this? So there's a small problem with my dog when the Docker on my bad, not Docker. The the cloud code, the cloud is trying to read the code, and then he trying to write a dog. I make him write a dog, but it's just a guide to how to use it instead of just explaining or guiding the user to create their own um, table instead of that. So yeah, I'm making it rewrite the stuff, how the structure should be, user, everything. I'm still rewriting. So it's currently, yeah, my bad. So it's currently Friday. Yeah. It's currently 9 p.m. I'm probably gonna do this until 10, 11 p.m. before I go to sleep. Maybe wake up early tomorrow and then do a morning um uh what is this? Maybe doing it in the morning, maybe doing at night, but I think it's usually gonna be at night because it's gonna be quieter at night instead of doing it morning. So try web developer. Yeah, I don't think anybody can do works for a client. UGS developer. I think I already applied to this one. Have I? No, I haven't. Jira, Trello. They need a 10 years experience in foreign developer, so I don't think I'm any near. Um, wireframe, prototype. What is this? Why does it look so fake? This looks. Why does it look so fake, bro? Wait. When is it? That's not so fake. I don't want to touch it. Alright, I'll get distracted. Check this one. 46. So in the morning, I still have 15% of my weekly limit, and in the afternoon I should have it. So, alright, let's reread this. This just me purely reading the document instead of start working. I think we can start working tomorrow. Oh yeah, I do have a haircut tomorrow, so maybe not in the morning. I will try to do a vlog. I will try to do the edit of not edit of this. It's just checking if I have any mention, any of that into the videos, and check the audio. If the audio is good enough, then I will pause it and post it, and then if it's not, then I won't post the video. So just gonna read out all of this, but I will put my yeah. We all know everything is just not well. Everything supple, everything supple, everything supple. What are we finding? We do not have a React developer. No, but we got not scam, but you know what I mean. You know what I mean. You know what I mean. Not even a why is she front end here? It does say front end, but it doesn't say anything related to it, so bummer. Bummer. An opinion. What the fuck am I reading? My bad. Oh, okay. Very good advice. Very good advice. Very good advice. I might have to do this. Not tonight, but I want to put some work into this. Alright, cool. My only in my mind just alright, cool. Anything else? Here's the rules. Force update param. What the heck is force update param property? I need to know. I need to know, please. Much holy, my back hurt now. Holy, I don't know if you can hear it me from here. I think you can, but if you don't, my bad. Outside that, let's see. Let's see if we can actually do this. What the hell is this? That is a lot of code for just typing param. The heck is this? Why do we need to stringify a key? Wait, is it? What is this? Why do we need to stringify a key? A string in a dependency for a use memo hook. This guy's 400. On my Twitter super on server. I do need a node for this though. Holy, it's so big. I need to visualize some of it. Let's see if I need to visualize some of it. Who's the fuck texting me? I do not understand what the heck is this. What the heck? Who is texting? Must be something else. Not anything else. Alright, that's if you hear the bell, I don't know if you can hear it, but that's basically it. That's just not a work session for mine because I feel not that productive. I'm probably gonna continue working on this dock and working on this huge component, like a lot of code here to work and trying to understand. but I probably have to get my hand dirty and try to recreate this in a different um, project so I can actually understand what is happening here. So maybe see you tomorrow. I think I'm just gonna right away go ahead and edit this and then post it like in the night today so I don't forget it. But it's gonna be I want it to be a daily things. So yeah. All right. See you in the next one. I don't know if I can cut this or I'm just gonna leave it in, but I think I'm gonna leave it in now.